everybody. It's just gone 5 o'clock in the morning. You joined me, about to start my day down at Spade Lane in near Sittingbourne. Today running up to Asda Skelmersdale again, and then back down to Warrington to spend the night there. So that's what's happening today. So like I say, we are about to start the day. So I'll get out, I'll do my daily checks. We haven't got a trailer yet. I do apologise for the noise. I'm in a lay-by on the side of the main road. So let's get on and do some checks. Okay, so we're outside the wagon now. There she is. So I'm going to do some checks on her now. So let's go through the daily checks. I do apologise for the noise, but let's go through the daily checks. Okay, so I've put all the lights on. Just check that everything's working. So all the lights are on. Someone else is starting up for the day. Check the tyres. Just go there. Just got to make sure everything's working on it. Make sure all the lights are working. Number plates, everything like that. So try not to get run over while I'm checking it. Just make sure everything's alright. Front wheels, everything's all hunky-dory. I've already checked the water levels, engine oil, stuff like that in her. So I'm not going to do that again. But yeah, I'm happy that she's fine. There's no damage to her. So she'll get in her and get into Spade Lane. Okay, so obviously all the checks are done. We are good to go. So time to get into Spade Lane itself. Just re-level the truck out. Nice and gently out of there. There's a few potholes, don't want to catch any of me blow bars. Bothered putting the camera forwards because it's literally, we were parked right outside near us, damn it. So we obviously got to find out what trailer. Get my headlights for the guardhouse. Ooh. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Wait for him to open the gate for us. All good. In we go. Yeah, we didn't drop our trailer here yesterday. We dropped our trailer at Fowler Welsh at Tenham and then came and parked up here for the night. So there should be a trailer in here for us, so obviously we're going to have to go see the goods office, find out what trailer we're taking, and then pick it up and that. So as you can see, I've got some new curtains now. They're red yes, and my pelmet is still blue. I did get a red pelmet with the curtains, but to be honest I didn't like it, so I'm keeping the blue pelmet. I've got red curtains to go with the red decal of the Griffin that's obviously on the wind deflectors on the back of the truck. So I think the red and the blue pelmet actually looks all right together when the curtains are shut, so it's not too bad. I've kept the original black curtains up as well, so when I do shut the curtains it's pitch black in here, which is what I wanted, because obviously sleeping during the daytime. So there's quite a few trailers in here. There'll be a few wagons coming in here to pick up trailers this morning. So we'll sneak past all these parked up trailers. Watching out for anybody crossing any of these zebra crossings. And we've got to find somewhere to park the unit now out of the way, as I'm just coming past the goods office now. So I'll find somewhere just to tuck this out of the way. I'm thinking for the time being I will literally just stick it here. Right, I'll be back in a bit. Right, I do apologise about the shakiness. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna put the dog clip on, so see if I can show you it. That's the dog clip on. And then we'll walk round. Open the wing fender. Squeeze up into this gap. See if I can put you somewhere. Right, so that's the all the Susies connected up. Next job, wind the legs. So that's the legs done. Next is the number plate. So I just walk round, put my number plate on. While I'm here, I'll just have a look at the lights. They're all flashing, which is good. Yup. Just checking the back. She's empty. And the last thing, take the trailer brake off and just check the ride height. Checking all the side of it. Look for any damages, any lights not working. So I'm happy. She's all connected. Step there. Just check this side. Check the tyres, the treads, the wheel nuts. Yep, I'm happy with that. So let's get back in the cab. Right, I've found it. This is going to be tight. Very tight. So I do apologise if I don't talk a lot. Whew. You have to come back hard over. Like it was a sharp right 90-degree turn to actually get it to come down here onto the bay. Yeah, bollocks, overshot it again. Because they operate a lock and dock system, you have to get it perfect. Right, that's her on. I'll see you when we're loaded. Okay, that is us loaded. It is 20 to 7 now. 25 pallets I believe we've got. It's all at +3. So that is us now on our way to Asda Skelmersdale 5 hours 20 drive time to get there. Obviously I've done this run plenty of times now, so I'll get about halfway, give or take, depending on how the traffic is and how I feel. But my current plan is get halfway and then pull over, have 45 minutes, reset my drive time, and then get up to there. But if it's nice flowing traffic and I'm doing well, I will drive as far as I can on my drive time before I pull over, but I'll just take it as it comes, see how we get on. I thought I'd bring you a little bit of the way on forwards camera at normal speed. Hope you've enjoyed so far some of the different angles, especially connecting the trailer up, stuff like that. I thought I'd try some different footage out for you rather than the same old boring nonsense. What else? Oh yeah, obviously a big welcome to all you new subscribers to the channel. I think last time I checked, I've just gone over 300 subscribers. It's absolutely amazing for me. That is 300 subscribers. I'd have never have thought I'd have got over 100, and now we're over 300. So we'll keep going onwards. Hopefully the channel will keep getting bigger, we'll get better, more interesting stuff for you guys to see, different angles, all that sort of stuff. Keep you interested, keep it fresh. That's it, pal. You just pull out on me, moron. Yeah, so hopefully, you know, we'll keep growing. I have got some in the pipeline for, I know I'm setting it quite a way away as a target, but for 500 subscribers. I'm planning on doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers. It's currently in the pipeline, and yes, I know, like I say, that's well over 150 more people to subscribe, but I'm planning on doing a bit of a giveaway for that. I'll not say what it is yet, because it's not 100% set in stone, but obviously I will let you know a bit nearer to the time, or if the channel keeps growing but doesn't grow as quick as what it has been, I might change it down to 400 subscribers. I've just got to see if I can get hold of what I want to get hold of for the giveaway first, and then that'll give me an idea of at what point I'm going to do the giveaway. So obviously keep your eyes peeled for that. It will be an announcement, obviously, in a video, and I will obviously put it up on my Facebook page, which any of you, if you haven't gone over and given it a like and a follow yet, I'll put the link down below again in the description for you. Head over there, give it a like and a follow. You tend to find out stuff obviously as it's happening, so like anybody who's already liked and followed it will know that today I am travelling from Spade Lane up to Asda at Skelmersdale, so if anybody lives on that way and wants to see the truck, then they know where it's going to be. I'll put photos on the Facebook page, stuff like that, and I will obviously also put it on my Instagram page. Once again, I'll try drop the link to my Instagram down below in the description for you, so it's a lot easier to get over and find. But yeah, they're basically the three main So obviously YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, they're the main 3 forms of social media that I put stuff up on. I don't do Twitter. But yes, so that's the plan for the pipeline. Anyway, I shall get on now and start getting us up the motorway and start chewing up the mileage. So I shall see you lot further up the road. Little bit now. It's just gone 2 o'clock. Traffic wise, the M25, it took me an hour and 15 minutes to do 3 junctions, so that was horrendous. And then on the M6 there was queuing traffic on there as well. So it's taken me a fair old while to get up here today. Not to worry, I've still got plenty of working time. I just know that ideally I need to be starting at 2 AM tomorrow morning. And to be able to do that I need to be parked up by 5 o'clock tonight. So like I say, it's almost 2:05 now, so I really want to be out of here by, well, as quick as possible, but 4 o'clock at the latest. That'll give me half an hour to get down to Iceland, Warrington, and then that gives me half an hour to drop the trailer and get parked up. That's like the bare minimum time I need to be able to get parked up for 5 o'clock. So, but if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. But hopefully it shouldn't take these too long in here to get 25 pallets off, but then you never know. Sometimes they're quite quick, sometimes it takes them forever. So I'm sure I will find out. And it's just up here on the right hand side. We've been here before. I'm pretty sure last time we videoed coming here we came in the other way. I can't quite remember whether I videoed in this way before or not, but I thought I'd video it again. So here we are. get myself booked in, and I will see you in a bit. Right, that's us out of Asda. It is 3:30. So it took them a bit of time. I had to wait to get on the bay, and then they took a little bit of time when I was on the bay. So, but still, 3:30 is good for me. Satnav says I should be at Iceland in Warrington for 4 o'clock, which is good. That still gives me an hour then, so obviously that's plenty of time to drop the trailer and then go get parked up, so that I'm starting my rest before 5 o'clock at night. So I will get me 9 hours and be able to start at 2 o'clock in the morning. So it's all good. That's as long as everything goes well on the half-hour journey there. So yeah, hopefully all going well. I should be there for 4 o'clock. So I shall crack on, and I'll get you'll join me a bit closer. Right, that's me all parked up. I didn't film, I'm not going to include going into Iceland. There's no point, I was just quickly in, dropped the trailer, straight back out. And I'm parked up in my little secret spot where it's quiet. I mean, it's not that quiet at the moment because everybody's going home. But once they've all gone home, it'll be nice and quiet around here. And there's a lovely bit of shade from the trees. So what I'll do is I'm going to end the video here. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much to all of those of you who are subscribers, new and old. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And like I say, I'll put the link to my Facebook page and hopefully my Instagram page down below. Head over, give those a like and a follow. And until next time, guys, thank you very much. I'll catch you later.